Hello, I am Danny, and today we're looking at Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Blu-ray, VHS, and DVD. Now, I don't have many. My camera is shaking. There we go. Now, I don't have many. But, apart from, I think there's two I don't have. Obviously, I think they're on Netflix, I think. Or streaming. But I got a terrible one. And the rest of them ain't that bad. That was my hand. So yeah, let's have a look at Dennis Hopper, Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. Now this ain't bad. You know, sequels sometimes are very terrible. Like, we're going to see two others in a minute, which are pretty bad. Well, one of them's totally bad. But yeah, this is the second one. Now, years ago, I didn't know there was a second one. When I first got the first one. Yeah, I didn't know there was loads. Well, there weren't loads, but, you know, quite a few. I didn't know about that. But now I do. Well, this was like 7 or 8 years ago. But yeah. Number 2. Not bad. He's a brilliant actor. He's passed away now, but he's a brilliant actor. Not a bad film. It's not the best, but it's a good film. It's not bad. Yes. Look at his face. He knows what he's doing. He's getting revenge. Moving on. Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the remake. Basically, it is a remake. This is pretty good for remakes. Yeah, very. It's good. Don't know if they should do another remake, because that'd be, especially nowadays. Jesus. But yeah, this film is great because it's got Jessica Biel in it, and Jesus Christ, just bouncing everywhere. But yeah, the film is a great film. Right, okay, let's get to the weird ones. The Next Generation. Yeah, this is weird. And it's got Matthew McConaughey in it. And I can't pronounce her name. Zellweger. Oh, McConaughey. His younger years. Yeah, this film is not exactly good. But I've got it for my collection. Yeah, I've seen it twice, I think. And I think that's all I need to do. It's not the best. So, moving on. Oh, this ain't bad. This is not a bad film. Texas Chainsaw. Because it's got two amazing women in it. And everyone's dying in it. It's a good film. That is it. Such a great film. See? 2013. Don't make films like that anymore. Let's get to the remake on VHS. It is battered because it's my first and only copy. I got it from, oh my god, look at the state of it, see? But it's okay. It's okay because it still works. So the case is battered to hell. And it got damp like 6 years ago, I think. I got it from Wars, which is no longer around. Those were the days. Just go in there, look at a video or DVD, and now it's gone. Yeah, nothing beats the original. I know most of the lines in this film. Brilliant. Especially when she's screaming at the end. It's basically what she does. Just screams the whole film. Yeah. Brilliant. The beginning. Another good film. It's not bad. Some bits I don't like in it. But it is a really good film. I know that older guy dies in it. Yeah. But yeah. Well, no, he's dead in real life. Can't remember his name. But yeah, good film. DVD. Yeah. Good film. Right. Jesus Christ. Leatherface. Not the best. Don't like this. But it's watchable. It's not like this other film I'm going to show you in a minute, which is totally a waste of money, energy, just like, yeah. But this film, it's not bad. I think I got this from the VHS from Wars as well. If you don't know what Wars is, if you're, from a different country tuning in, Wars used to be a shop in the UK. Closed down in 2005, I think. Yeah, that's where I used to get my horror films, and I think my last video was Star Wars. I think. Revenge of the Sith. Yeah, I think it was. It's either that or Robots on VHS. One of those. But yeah, Leatherface. It's alright. Oh, Jesus. This monstrosity. Yeah, this was a waste of money. Didn't like it. Watched it once. Pretty angry. Just throw that over there. Right, we got this on Blu-ray. It's the only one I got on Blu-ray because it's expensive. Very expensive. I can't find them anywhere. The other films. Very expensive. This wasn't, which is good because I could see those two wonderful women in it. Wonderful. Yeah, good film. And we have the original on DVD. I think the Blu-ray of this is flipping expensive. Very expensive. And if you're wondering what these are, like I said earlier, these are the VHS. I'm surprised this came on VHS because it's 2003. Yes, that was all of my copies actually, which I don't have many. So yeah, I've been trying to do this video for a long time, and I finally done it. I know it took a while, but I know someone else want me to do another video. And don't worry, it will be coming up. I just got to find all my films with Nicolas Cage in it. I got your message. And I got loads of his films. So I will be doing it. I don't know about all his newer, I don't want to disrespect him because he's a good actor. Low budget stuff. I don't have many of those. Got his older generation stuff. 90s, early 2000s. got most of that. So, but yeah, it will be coming up. Don't worry. Thank you everyone for watching. Try and leave a comment where you're watching from. So I'm very fascinated because on the statistics what come up. You know, a lot of like obviously UK. Then there's like Russia. Then there's like America. So like say like hello from America or something like that. Yeah, I'd love to know. Yes. So this was like DVD, VHS, and Blu-ray. I'm Danny. Thank you everyone for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video.